Tell me your dog is clingy without telling me your dog is clingy. Mocha, what is you doing?
Look at you.
Yeah, he won't let me breathe.
Breathe. Breathe.
Mocha, can mommy have her feet back? Leave him alone. Mocha. Hello? I'm talking to you. How you on me but act like you don't hear me? Exactly. What's up? You want some love and affection today? You want some affection today, baby?
Is that your baby?
Mocha, why is you all up in my space? You being real clingy right now. Just clingy. How can I work? I'm trying to work, Mocha. I'm trying to work. I'm trying to get some stuff done. I haven't even ate yet. Can you move? Thank you. Thank you. You see what I'm talking about? You in my personal space. Get out of my personal space. Thank you. Get down.
What Mocha's doing?
Get down.
Get down, Mocha.
Tell me your dog is clingy without telling me your dog is clingy. Look at this. How am I supposed to do what I need to do? Huh? How am I supposed to do what I need to do, Mocha? I need to do my work today. I need to eat. Can you move? Can you move? You all up in my space. Mocha, you hear me? Yeah, you hear me. You gotta get down. You gotta get down. You gotta get down. Let's go. Get down. Get down, Mocha. Get down. Get down. Thank you. Ain't nobody tell you to pop your move. Ninja, you better get down. Get down. Why is he sleeping on my feet? Like, legit. He is not trying to let me go nowhere. Mocha. Like, come on, bro.